Welcome to my office. In this session, I'd like to introduce how to highlight the active cells, rows, and columns. First, let's see what I got here. Let's choose the different cells. This is what you got. Now let's start. This is the original Excel. First, let's choose the sheet name, data 1, right-click, choose View Code. Then you copy and paste the code from the instruction. And then close it. Let's go. It's already done. And if you want to change the color, let's go to data 1, right-click, View Code. We can change the color to 8. Close it. Here you go. Also, you can choose different colors. Just Google Excel color code, you will find it. If you only want to highlight the rows, don't highlight the columns. Now let's go to the code, View Code. Just delete this row. Close it. Let's give it a shot. Here you go. You also need to know that we have set for the sheet 1. For the different sheets, you need to set separately. Let's go to Data 2. There's nothing here. Now let's right-click Data 2, View Code, and copy the data here. Close it. Okay, here you go. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you for watching.